listens
Mercy.
to us. Whoever is not from God does not. Yeah. So I think those are like the markers na we test the spirit if sino yung nagko-confess that Jesus is from God, and number one is kung sino yung nagli-listen sa us is I think nag-pertain yan sa mga ano sa mga apostles and the legit na mga teachers. So yun, by this we know the spirit of truth and the spirit of error. So yun yung nag-bracket sa parang like everything. I think okay, counter check na lang din. Cross-examine para hindi tayo ma-impeach.
Ala, I think that's very nice. Sige, Ate Glenn.
Hello, complicated yung kay Kugunaw na. I'm so sorry, students. I just want to ask, no, because you po, kinsa tong mga nag-listen sa mga false teachers kay they are not in the spirit. Dayon, ang katong mga nag-listen sa ilaha ba kay they
Pagputol
are
ka.
not
Ana.
kuan. Sige na, later na lang ako sang i-digest ang tanan. Go. Go na.
Di, okay na, clear.
Wow.
Clear na kate. Balik ka daw.
Naglibo ko kay muraga lang. So, i-test na to sila sa ingan na dayon. Sige na, sa mga next ata to, what shall we do to them? Kay mga kuan man sila, mga they are not in the spirit of God. They are spirit of Antichrist man to. Ang sa ilaha. I think, kunya na, nako'y question dira sa ubos about that. Thank you. Let's go. Move on.
Sige, scroll down na din ako. Namdin ako ang control.
Yes, sige, Lex. Mawala-wala ako internet.
Sige, go.
Ang question ni Ate Glenn K is, kinsa tong nag-listen? Ano ba? Kinsa tong nag-listen? Giingon sa determine if sabi ni Apostle John, they are natang kingon dito nga believing that is from God, and then that they listen to us pertaining to the apostles, to the teachings of the gospel, no, ng mga forefathers nila establishing Christian faith, no. Then ang imong question is, kinsa tong nag-listen to us? Dili po na ako naputuloy.
Hindi.
Wala ko nakuha.
Later na. Sige na, later na. Na, sa ta.
Okay.
Mangluod po dayon eh.
Sa maneng. Well, pag ganito na.
Unya na,
Okay,
Sir
sige.
Dance, kay
Next.
ako ang utok, Sir Dance, is so like flying all over the place.
Loaded.
Sige
Lahi
na,
lagi na si
go na.
attorney. Okay. Sige, Lex. Okay. Ano po dira, Lex, sa number 2? Unsay mga ano dira basa ko na.
Sige. So, sa verse 2, ang observation is, this verse says how we identify the Spirit of God. It directly answers the question from verse 1 na katong giingon ka ganina ni Sir Dance. And one question here says, are there people who believe Jesus did not come from the flesh? And ang answer is, na hypothesis di answer na naman. There's a hypothesis here that says, yes, these are people who belong to what Apostle John called Antichrist, and one of the popular teaching that rose from them is Gnosticism. And nag-overview ganina si Claude about Gnosticism. And di ba ang kaning book is gisulat ni to the Ephesians? Claude, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was believed nga kanang nasa Ephesus, mga house churches in the Ephesus. In Ephesus. Pero sir, can you give us kanang clear view about kaning teaching Gnosticism, Gnostics, na Sir Dance? Na ba kay knowledge
Di mo ko
yan
expert,
kanina?
Ana, oy, pero hindi, I am not an expert, but, uy, kay accent. Ay, nako, pero usually, na sila believe that matter is, the physical matter is evil. The material world is evil, and the spiritual world is good. So, mo na nga, dili nila ma-accept that Christ cannot have a body kasi if na siya body then na evil sa iya. So para dili na siya para ma-eliminate na siya na murag point. So kinahanglan i-espouse gid na si Christ gid siya, spirit gid siya, wala dili gid siya in flesh para
Or,
ma-preserve ang iya ang good.
karon na ginawa
Kana.
na gets.
So mo na siya pinaka basic
But
stuff pero
very, very
daghang
amazing,
mga
Sir Dance.
daghang nuance, daghan pa ng mga nuance nga mga basta.
Yes, lawak kayo nilang interpretation, lagyan sila mga belief. Pero very layman, nagets na ko ang point na salamat sir. Lahir yung kag-wisdom. Ay, out of this. Charot.
Kuya Juan.
Kuya Juan. Nakuha na ko sir that ang ilang belief that Jesus Christ should not be flesh, no? Kaya ginadeny nila nga Jesus have come by flesh because they believe nga ang material world siya is sinner and then is bad and the spirit is good. So Jesus would come from the spirit or yung divine nature. Amazing. Okay. Sige. Asa na tadapit Lex?
Na
Moving
verse 3.
forward. Yan, verse 3.
Oo, mo nang gilaban gyud ni John, 'di ba? Sa 1 John chapter 1, ingon gyud siya nga, nakakita mi niya amo siyang ng chismis mi ni Lord Jesus, siya charot chismis. Nagkaon-kaon mi, nagkilaw-kilaw mi sa dagat, mi, so murag ipakita gyud niya ba nga kanang tao gyud ni,
Ang tao
'di ba?
gyud siya.
Tao gyud siya. Bali no, kay
Yes.
sa panahon karon kay dili mo ang mga tao kay dili mo tuo nga divine
Ganun,
siya,
yung tao
ra
si
siya.
Jesus.
Pero sa ilang time sa una kay gid siya, karang dili siya tao kay
Oh.
kuyaw pag ilang style.
Bitaw.
Moro to.
Amazing. Wow. Mao bitaw siya ang murag theme po diri sa book of First John niya kanang gina-reinforce niya bitaw balik-balik emphasis siya ha. Jesus Christ from God, human flesh, amazing, nag-gets na ko pinakangano. Okay? Sige.
Putol-putol ka, Claude.
Unsa ni First John 4 ni no? First John 4 ni.
Yes,
Grabe,
kuya.
memorize man ni Master. Memorize man daw ni mga Bible. Sir.
Dili oy busy.
Murag, magkabasa din.
Dili,
Memorize ang gid. Lahir ang gid.
Hoy, busy bitaw kayo mi.
The Living
kay,
Dictionary
ano
naman
sa ta
ka,
side trip. Side trip busy kay mi kay mo adto bi mig show kon kay regional tabang.
Woo!
Mga,
Camping mo, sir.
so regional meet abot lang mo wala ko
sa di ba? So gani, sir?
yeah, so di ba ko mo appeal karon pero kanang basig next week di ko ka join mo nang join na lang ko karon.
Lahir
Anyway.
gid hard working, sir. Oy. Ano man kaayo? Never ending energy.
Hoy, tabang kung pwede pa lang pailis.
Sige, verse 3. Verse 3, ako mabasa, Lexa. And every spirit that does not confess Jesus is not from God, this is the spirit of the Antichrist. So, ano niya itong nabasa ganina that tells us, ni Kuya Sir Dance, is this is how we test the spirit, which you heard was coming and now is in the world already. So, sabi ni Apostle John, they are in the world. This is something to be emphasized. They are in the world. Hello, Marvin. Good evening. They already in the world. So there's some observations right here this verse says how we identify the spirit of the Antichrist. So kanina it was already elaborated, no? How do we test whether or not this spirit, no, is coming from God? Some questions written here. When did the spirit of the Antichrist come to the world? Grabe ni nga pangutahan na. Sino to nagtanong? Si Ate Jean? And then second question, what exactly is the relationship between the false prophets and the Antichrist? Why should Christians be concerned with this? Kani mo si Ate Glenn nga tanungan ba? Sige. Some hypotheses are written here. The first part. And then, when did the spirit? When? The question is, as to the time frame which the Antichrist have come, false prophets. Well, hindi talaga siya explicitly, in this particular book, wala naman talaga siya explicitly na ano, no? Na pinaliwanag kung kailan ba talaga dumating. But because even at the previews prior na mga libro, books of some of the letters also, nagdi-discuss na sila about these false prophets. I don't know, no, with the dating, if there is exactly spirit of the Antichrist. Spirit
Pero,
of the Antichrist.
sorry.
Pero in context siguro to. Parang kailan nagsimula that people with this particular belief, no, denying yung pagiging human being ni Jesus and becoming, a son of God, kailan nagsimula? Ganun yung context ng tanong. Na hypothesis. Ikaw, Alex, to the first or second question.
Sa first question, although wala pa akong hypothesis, pero napo ko na-observe po based sa text na in relation sa question kanang ang gina-pertain nga now is in the world already is because na namang yung mga tao nga naga-deny nga si Jesus is wala siya wala siya nahimong sa katong Gnosticism na kato yang lawas is point of contention sa ilaha. Tapos na yung mga tao nga dili na gyud gapaminaw sa apostles. So I think na as per observation dili siya hypothesis. Ang pag-abot jud sa spirit of the Antichrist is in the same pod nga pag-abot pod ni pag-abot ni Christ, like kanang in the essence pod nga kuan pod like pag-abot na bitaw, pag-spring na gyud sa belief na pag-spring na sa belief na Jesus is God and pag-spring na sa belief na siya ang Messiah and all of these things attributed to him. Pag sugod pa lang ato na nag-spring akong na-observe kay nag-spring forth na dayon ang katong gina-pertain sa verses 1 to 2 na opposition niya or ang iyahang katong mga evil spirits ka na naa sa false prophets nga wala nag-believe kang God o wala nag-believe nga si Jesus is from God and ang iyahang flesh katupod from God pod. So, muna to akong observation. Pero wala ko'y direct nga hypothesis as to when jud siya. So, murag katurang akong ma-add diri nga verse. Basin si Kuya Dens.
Yes, thank you, Alex. I think klaro man po kasi even sa time ni Jesus Christ, tama man po nga gahatag na siya warning that there will be this nga mo abot, no? And sabi niya dito sa verse na chapter 2 verse 18 mo nag-discuss ni John, children, this is the last hour, and as you have heard that Antichrist is coming, so now many Antichrists have come. Therefore, we know that it is the last hour. They went out from us, but they were not from us. They started to be assuming of themselves believers, but in the very beginning, they are not. Yung ni Apostle John dira, for if they had been of us, they would have continued with us. But they went out that it might become plain that they all are not of us. Para sa kuha, no, I can see that there are those that nag-exist na good, no? And there are those nga, according sa imong point of view, Alex, nga, in the spring of the gospel, of the teachings of Jesus Christ. No, nga to ako makita. What about, ay, nakabalik sa ate Jean, nandito sa ate. So, mag-Tagalog na ba sa aning? Right? Gandang gabi bayan. Nawala si Marvin. Sige. Kuya Sir Dens? Ano?
Ox na to eh.
Wait lang, naaba siya yung second question. Nagbugat mo ganun mga parang. What exactly is the relationship between the false prophets and the Antichrist? Why should Christians be concerned with this? Ano the relationship? I mean, anong relationship ng mga false prophets with this Antichrist? I think it's already on the earlier part kanina na sinend. Pinaliwanag doon yung role nila. False teachers, on question 1, I think ma-relate natin yung sagot dyan. No? On question 1, hypothesis 1, so makikita ninyo doon that false teachers do not have the Spirit of Christ living in them because living involves fellowship. The false teachers are without this fellowship. Therefore, they do not love because the Antichrist can be in the world, evil spirits can be in the false teachers. So they are parang recognized to be as having one point of views against. Yes, Ate Glenn.
Yes, so ibig sabihin, lahi sila og faith, right? Like, kung nandoon kunyari INC, tapos lahi na po yung denomination. But pag mag-show na ang Antichrist or if na ang Antichrist, din naman yung mga false teachers, ibig sabihin, bisan lahi sila nga mga teachers or denomination, they will be one.
Balik daw kay. So to kay na. You lost me in forever.
Nakagets ko,
That's a very
Get
good
mo,
question.
i-explain
Your
to
point.
that,
Dino,
Alex.
Ate Glenn.
I-explain to that.
ko answer, like, even though, lahi of example, denomination si Pastor Kibuloy, unya, ang Mormon Church, like, ga-operate yapon sila in one evil Antichrist spirit. Tama ba ko, Ate Glenn? Tsak dako ba na ko?
Yes, yes.
Kana, like, even though lahi sila nga cults, isa ra ang Antichrist spirit at work in them, sir.
Mura na good po mga Christians nga lain-lain denominations pero one spirit lang gihapon. So, ana ra good na.
So, sir, mo silang united, sir, pag nana ang Antichrist? Bisan lahi sila
Hindi.
claim?
Wala bitaw po
Hindi
sila
lang.
nag-chat na ako atong niaging adlaw, okay? So,
Ate, para sa kuha siguro, it's more of kanang yung very bigger goal nila of going against kay Christ, Antichrist, no? Pero pagiging false prophets nila, pagiging false teachers nila, come in so many ways, no? Some of them have come from sa sariling pundok, sa sariling group natin. Well, they have come from us, pero they're trying to wear, sabi pa doon, ano ba yun? A skin of, pero they are werewolf inside. And some of them are really outside, yung mga yun yung group of people who are heretically inclined, and then yung mga hesitant, mga doubtful pa, no? And then na-influence, mga ganong group of people. Again, they can come in many forms and false teachers, pero they are united with a bigger point of view na they are against Christ. No? The gospel. Parang, I don't know, yun yung siguro para sa akin. Si Ate Jean kaya?
Exactly.
Yes, Sir Dance.
Oh, yun na yung sinabi ni Fernan. Oh, it's
Si
yeah.
Kuya
The
Elio.
same power that like empowers them to, so basically antichrist any person who wants to discredit by the divinity and humanity of Christ, or like the nature of Christ, it's under the influence of the antichrist, no? So and any belief na hindi nag-adhere sa divinity ni Christ and his humanity, his death, resurrection, his life. So, 'di ba? May eternal consequence. So, tama yung sinabi ni Fernan. So, heresy could come in many forms. So, but it's the same spirit that is at work in them who will try to, yun nga, discredit or hindi nag-adhere sa belief na pinapaniwalaan or like belief na kung sino talaga si Christ.
Ano man, Lex? Something to share pa? Kuya Elio. Sir.
Yung
si
yung
Ate
question
Jean.
ko lang, yung in a way question ko is yung
Lamutan
is
ako.
pero for ano ba for discussion sake, yung antichrist ba na specify dito ay is it a specific person or it's any person who opposes what we believe in or who Christ is, 'di ba? Kasi may passage na nagsabi, 'di ba, sinid mo ma, that the antichrists in the plural ano ba siya form. Tapos dito
Actually,
naman yung the
actually, sir,
spirit of the sige.
actually, sir, mao ko nag-ask ko ganyan kasi I'm thinking ang antichrist na ginaingon diri is the antichrist, like the one antichrist that will be coming and who will be going against, you know. So, I thought kato, but okay, sakto kayo ang gibutang o gi-type ni Cloud. So, go. Sir Dance, back to you.
Claude, back to you.
All right. So thank you. Yeah. For that question, I think it pertains to groups, no, Sir Dance. People who really deny the divinity of Jesus, the human flesh, no, Jesus has come in flesh, mga something to do with the gospel itself, no, which has been preached in the earlier period, and now there's a change in the narrative through these people. So, let's move forward with the next atwara ng tapuson ang answer dara. Yeah, move tayo with number 4, little children. For him is greater than he who is in the world. So this is so familiar to us. No? This is found in most of the songs that have been crafted especially in the modern times, no? He who is in you is greater than he who is in the world. The Spirit of God, okay, some of the observations are written here. The Spirit of God is in the children of God and is greater than the spirit of the Antichrist. Spirit of God is in the children of God, right? And is greater than the spirit of the Antichrist. Okay, that's what we see here, no? Greater than he who is in the world. So the question here, how is he who is in you is greater than he who is in the world? What does it mean for him, God, to be in us? So I think basically the question is asking for how is it that he, when we pertains to he, we I think Apostle John was referring to Jesus, no? Who have been, or ano ba to dito? Spirit ang pinag-uusapan niya? Ano ba to dito, Sir Dance? The Spirit, or particularly it refers to Jesus, is greater Spirit na andito sa atin? Or na andun sa kanilang time? Or Jesus? Si Jesus? Sino ba ito nire-refer dito? Wait lang.
Ang spirit.
Oh, okay. In context kay spirit, magpud
Spirit, no?
ang previous verses.
The spirit of God.
Tama. Spirit pala. So, our spirit, the spirit who is in us is greater. In what way? Because, no, in asking for the question how, because it is a spirit coming from God who have fellowship with God. So, of course, God is more powerful beyond every spirit. So, thereby telling us that He is greater to the one who is in the world. What does it mean for Him, for God to be in us? Ano tong next question, Lex? What does it mean for Him to be in us?
Baka ano yan, parang yung indwelling power ng spirit na nasa mga believers. I think.
Pwede.
Wala po ko
Pwede.
kabalo, kuya.
What does it mean for Him to be in us? Bakit God? I think the answer would be that we will have superior, as I think, na type of spirit, because it's the spirit that is coming from God, and it is beyond the evil spirits or those spirits of the Antichrist. Parang gano'n. Si Ate G,
Oo.
nakikinig na lang. Tingnan
So it
natin
is
ng
the-
summary.
The Holy Spirit that it indwells, in us. It's also the same spirit, the same power that enables us to overcome the world. Will enable us to test the spirits, yung parang ganun pa.
Sige. Any more point of view, Ate Glenn, Kuya Elio, Ate Jean? I think Ate Jean is busy. She's doing something. So, Ate Glenn, what does it mean for the Spirit of God to be in us? So, I think na naman tayo mga hypothesis na. Sige, let's move forward on question number 5. Question number 5 speaks here, reads as, they are from the world, therefore they speak from the world, and the world listens to them. So, in connection to that of verse 4, dinagdagan niya, dinugtungan niya, that sabi ni Apostle John, these people, the spirits, spirits is the spirits, dito ay context, they are from the world. Therefore, they speak from the world. Their preachings, their teachings, their philosophies and doctrines are from the world, and the world also listens to them. Those people who are not belonging in the family and community of Christ listens to them. So parang this is also relative to sa John, na those who listen, ano ba yung sinabi niya doon? Belongs to us. We have some
Katong
observation.
mercy places to. Kato ba to?
Yun Lex, na parang sino yung nakakarinig ay siya lang din yung sa atin. Yung mga hindi nakakarinig kasi hindi sila sa atin. Parang ganun yung idea niya. The spirit of the Antichrist, some observations, is implied to be worldly. Why? It is another observation. It is no wonder why they are successful in the world because it is their habitat. So I think this is my observation nilagay. They are from the world. Yung realization kasi here is para bang ano ba yan? Ay magiging ano na siya, no? Magiging reflection and homiletical. But it's more of their situation, kaya sila nakaka-acquire siguro at that time ng support from people who also are maybe yung mga group of people, mga inclined into heretical teachings. Kasi in the very first place, they really are not, no, from God. They are from the world. And the world, they love the world, they are from the world, so they listen to the world. So we have no questions dito. Okay? Wala tayong question. Yung world kasi, no, I mean, I think alam naman natin that how it is being given, ano ba yan, yung idea niya of being a sinner, worldly sinner. So, nagkakaroon ng distinction dito na ginagawa si Apostle John. That these people are coming from the world, coming from those who do not believe the gospel. So, they speak the same. They act the same. No? They have the same kahit pasabihin natin they come in many form, but the same ang kanilang mga sigaw, no? Ipako si Kristo or yung kanilang sigaw of not believing in Jesus, denying Jesus Christ. So, syempre wala tayong question, walang hypothesis. Questions on number 5. I think that's very clear. Let's move with number 6. So for the last verse, we are from God. Whoever, so there mga observations written, you can read. We are from God. Whoever knows God listens to us. Kasi kanina, they are from the world. He uses the term they are. We are from God. Whoever knows God listens to us. Whoever is not from God does not listen to us. By this we know the spirit of truth and the spirit of error. I think in this part, Apostle John is talking to those mga believers loyal to the gospel. No? Sabi niya, yung mga people na sa atin talaga are coming from the same na line of belief natin, makikinig sila sa atin kasi kilala nila ang Diyos. But yung hindi, nire-reject nila, they really are not from God. No? And that's one way how we determine the truth and the spirit of error. And we have some observations here. The spirit of God is the spirit of truth. Second, the spirit of the Antichrist is the spirit of error. Spirit of Antichrist is spirit of error. Third, error in this text translates to plain false opinion opposite of the truth. So some questions. Does the spirit of error directly pertain to the spirit of the Antichrist? And some hypothesis, we have the spirit of the Antichrist is the opposite of the Spirit of God. The Spirit. Any more hypothesis to the question or more questions in relation to the text? Ikaw, Lex, ano sa point of view ni Madara on this particular question?
Ako may sulatan. Ako
Ano? Sige. So, ako
kani
naman
kanina
ito,
gid ako gisulat sa verse 6 kani. Ang ako lang yung train of thought ani kay katong sa spirit of error jud ko na murag nahulog jud bitaw og kanang tanaw-tanaw like nag-search ko sa step bible and everything tapos naka-reach ko ani nga hypothesis kay ultimately ang ako ding na observe sa text bitaw like opposite jud siya like ang spirit nga gapaminaw sa apostles ang opposite niya is katog yung mailhan sila kung unsa ang opposite nga pagabuhaton sa spirit sa ni God kay mo yun na siya ang spirit yun ni Antichrist like diha mo'y kanang murag murag litmus test kintahay no mura ba nga term basta kay murag kana gid ang testing gid nila like ang iyang opposition sa working sa spirit ni God mo gyud na ang working sa Antichrist mo gyud na ang ako ang hypothesis ani nga verse and in line pud sa akong mga na-learn sa tong sharing sa verses 1 to 5 suka to and in not only in testing and in determining is it kanang important but it's also there pud to Apostle John ato nga time to be able to describe jud in description jud for the early church believers sa Ephesus kato siya akong hypothesis.
Some of the translation, no, thank you, Lex. Ilang gamit is parang this is how we determine the spirit of deception on the mga ano sabi na, other version, NLT, ambot lang sa NIV, yung sa ilahang paggamit. Dari error, no? Error ang iyang gigamit. And it's defined as what's being provided here, false opinion or opposite of the truth. In context, we're talking about Jesus, Jesus Christ, the gospel. This is a truth. And if they are speaking spirit of falsehood, magamit sa NIV. So sa NLT, yun siya is more of spirit of deception. Oh, deception na pa diya. But yeah, nice question. No? Does the spirit of error directly pertain to the spirit of the Antichrist? Apparently, because again, the spirit of error are those who are in opposition of the truth, which we're talking about the gospel, Jesus Christ. Well, and so if these are a spirit that is speaking in opposition of that truth, then this must be coming from the Antichrist. No? So parang ganon yung idea. I do not know where could be the other source for this. No? Saan natin sila pwedeng kunin? Saan sila pwedeng manggaling? But other than those who are in opposition of Christ. I think pwede pang merong iba, pero they can be categorized kasi as Antichrist. Kasi nga, sabi nga natin kanina, there are a lot of false teachings can come or the spirit of error can come in many ways, in many forms, but they are in one of being an antichrist. Doon lang man siguro yung kanilang ano nila trying to yung distort the truth. Yun yung pinaka-ano nila. So, doon din sila magagaling with that becoming an antichrist. I don't know if meron pa rin ibang form of hindi na believe that Christ came in flesh. Yes, yun yung sinasabi sa text, sir. Na dinedeny nila that Jesus have come in flesh and Jesus is the Son of God. Yan. Come in flesh. So, yung divinity ni Jesus. So, per context, yun yung sinasabi that they are coming from the Antichrist. Yeah. Meron ba tayong ano doon? Hypothesis. Spirit. Meron na pala. So, tapusin lang natin some parts na wala pa. Sige. Any further questions? Observation, hypothesis? Tapusin lang natin yung mga sinusulat.
Uy guys, nakalimut na dyan po sa mga
Attic
exegetical, analytical.
Gidelete mo ganina. Gipabilin di ito na ako. Gidelete mo ni
Dili,
ni
okay
Alex.
lang. Ang exegetical, di ba, ka na like mag-focus siya sa context, right?
Yes. Yun yung tinatawag natin author's intent. No? The intention of the authors towards the original audience. And then homiletical idea is what is the timeless truth out of this author's intent towards the original audience. Then reflection and then application, we're looking at something that can really be applied in our life. So yeah, we can start writing.
Pwede ko na yung last
Yes.
question kay Sir Dance. Sir
Ha?
Dance. Ako yung
Samaan.
question. Actually, ako ang wala kasi ko last week na sa context ani. Ginalantaw na ko ba? Ginalantaw na ko siya testing the spirit ang una sa verse sa chapter 4 and then God is love sa next verses which is saying we should love one another because God loves us. And then actually before this kay kanang ang emphasis gihapon sa chapter 3 is children of God love one another. But then there's a testing of the spirit in between. So like what's the kanang wala kasi ko last week Sir Den. So baka you can answer or si Cloud lang no. Kanang relevant sa like the message of or the call of God to love God and love others to testing the spirit because it's in the middle of everything.
Lahit mong ang kuan ni John. Si John kasi very different from Peter because from Paul because Paul's way of writing is so very linear ba and everything like connects and it connects and meron talaga siyang parang may progression yung thoughts niya. Si John on one hand he jumps from one topic to another and then inaano niya parang mura siya K-12 bitaw. Mura K-12 baka ko ang example. Mura bitaw, di ba sa K-12 for example, ang science nga first quarter kay kanang biological science, then second quarter kay example physics, then third quarter kay chemistry, then life earth and life science sa fourth quarter. So dayon pagka second year niya or pagka grade 8 niya mura gihapon to first quarter chemistry pero mas na siya mas higher ang concepts as compared sa first one. So murag ning ang similarity kay John nga una di ba light naghisgot siya light and hisgot po siya love yung truth and error na po din balik na po siya sa light and love and yun ang how he
Pero si John
writes
jud ang problema
stuff.
Sir Den.
Dili po siya problema. Yun po din ang way. Pero more on love
Kita.
din na iya ang kanang naga-emphasize gina siya sa
Ang
love
unsa
sa
unsa
iyahang
to tayo mo
letter.
pangutana ganito?
Ay, na-question ako siya kasi murag, nahimo manggod, murag the way bitaw giingon niya nga, kanang sa testing of the spirit sa verses ba nga ningon niya. Um, katong they are from the world, therefore they speak as from the world, and the world listen to them. Dayon, mura bitaw
Mm-mm.
there's really a distinction ana sa
Yeah.
ila. And as Christians, for me lang ha, because ang next verses niya, it says love one another, but ang focus po niya sa loving diri sa one another is ang love nato is for those nga nakailapod sa Ginoo. Wala siya murag wala niya gitouch ang katubitang sa mga those who are anti-Christ. So ibig sabihin kanang so dili na lang Juday na to, if makita day na to nga they are not of God, like dili na Juday na to sila i-reach out. Para gingan bitaw akong thinking, na dira nga linya akong thinking. I don't know if I'm making sense. If I am.
It makes sense, pero ang text kay, it doesn't really suggest otherwise. Ang point po, kasi when we talk about testing the spirits, ang usa sa marker sa pag-test sa spirit is kung nag-believe ba sila that Christ came in flesh. That's what we are talking about right now, right? Pero pag abot sa context of loving, usa pud siya sa test if ang imong faith, kay basically ang point sa first John is di ba, this is written so that you will know that you have eternal, di ba, 1 John chapter 5, 6, na ba 6? 1 John chapter 5, murag 5 man siguro na. 5 ra man day taman. So, di ba nga, ang purpose is to write. So, naay mga siya yung murag litmus test to know if you are really in Christ. So, one of that is to, if kaya nimo nga mo believe nga grabe ang kaya na. Kung mo believe you rephrase, if you believe that Christ came in flesh and He is God, then you are of Christ. Another test is if you really love your brother in the community of faith. Ano ba? If you really know how to love, kay di ba gingon niya? Kung kinsa ang kabalo mo love, whoever does not love does not know God, for God is love, di ba? Ano ba na? So it's in the context of the community as well. Pag abot po sa mo na gina-imply diha, pero pag abot sa katong giingon nimo nga di na lang bata mo lantaw sa uban, yung katong mga lost, maupod na ang giano ni mo reach out gid gihapon ta kay number one, command mo po na siya ni gawa sa command, maugid po na siya ang atong mission, di ba, to really share the gospel. And one of the things nga I remember also is katong kay Jonah, di ba, like si Jonah kay imbis nga ma-happy siya nga na ay opportunity to repent ang Nineveh, pero na angry siya kay kabulo siya nga so murag mao na siya ang point sa imong question ata kay nga kung question nga dili ba ta ato ba silang i-hate, ato ba silang mo reach out gid gihapon ta sa ila pero ang love nga gi pasabot dire sa First John kay pag-abot sa ato ang mga igsuon sa pagtuo nga makahigugma ba ta sa ila. So kung musa na siya sa mga markers sa being in Christ. So I don't know kung nag-make sense ko, pero mo to siya ako ang
Naarag yung sensor. Charot. Ito. Nice kayo. Ako, Ate Glenn, if you wanted to hear also, support ko sa katong ginaingan ni Sir Dan. So, and I think it's really kanang contextual ang kinastoryahan din ni Apostle John kasi he is sending the message to those na mga left na mga believers, loyal believers to the gospel, trying to once again reinforce the idea of the gospel that Jesus Christ is come in flesh, Son of God, and this should be reflected kato sa loving one another nung ginaingon ni Sir Dance. So murag at this point in time ba ginaingon ni Apostle John, hindi naman na parang we will stop sharing to them, but this type of people are really something who are in the opposite side, no? That kung in their own efforts magkakaroon pa nga sila ng doubt, reaching these people will probably be parang madala pa sila. Instead na sila ang magdala of these people, baka sila pa madala because kailangan i-assure kailangan i-assure muna sila, reaffirm yung kanilang, ano yung kanilang narinig at the time. So, kailangan sila bigyan ng assurance. So, maybe this is something also na kino-consider ni Apostle John in the way that he's telling na merong delineation, merong distinction point na ginagawa niya. They are of the world, they are not, we are from God, we belong to God. So, ganun yata yung punto niya. But again, it does not mean to say that we totally give up on them, that God will not love them, to reach out for these people. Of course, we will have a heart for them, no? To reach out to these people. But some of them, because they are antichrist dominated by heart and by philosophy. So, mahirap no yung pag-atake sa kanila of how to change. We have to first counter ano yung kanilang mga argument. Kaya nga, makikita natin with Apostle Paul, ito yung binabanatan niya, yung mga false teachings, yung kina-counter niya. And at that point, we can share into them. We have to correct muna the teaching. What is right? This is it. No, this is the gospel. Ito yung teaching. So, saka na tayo, we go with approaching them, bringing them back to to the faith. No, so more of there's love here, but there's more also of theology na masyadong strong din si John. Makikita natin na very dear si John, no? Dear children, ganon. Pero strong din yung kanyang pag-condemn to people who ano ba yan? Do not, parang in the very first place, hindi pala napapabilang sa community of these believers. I don't know, with Alex, Ate Jean, and Kuya Elio, no? Tama ba? We have question in the table. So, ano bang tingin niyo doon? Kuya Elio. Elio ba? Elio. Ikaw, Lex. Ano sa'yo pananaw mo, Lex? Sa katong nga pangutana.
Agree ko ni mo, Claude. Copy-paste lang.
Si Ate Jean, medyo busy pa si Ate Jean. So, I think we can craft, okay na ba, Ate Glenn? Or there's many other questions? I think we can have the whole night to discuss. Okay, si Sir Dance, condition kayo.
Or wala
Ko
ko
ba sa
magsayo
last
gani kung tulog-tulog ron kay mag-adto may maglarga na biya.
Asa ganito, Sir Dance? Ang
Pero mo
inyong
adto pa mig
destination?
sindangan kay magtapok mi didto tanan kay didto mi matulog kay usahon ra mi tanan ang Zamboanga del Norte Athletics Association usahon ra mi og hatod sa venue sa Zipra sa Shokon. So we will be staying there from 21 to March 28. February 28 rather.
Pero
So, mga more
sir,
than a week
naka-arrange
dito.
na mo sa inyong sa inyong asa mo mag-stay dito.
Oh,
Kasi murag-
naana na. Kay regional meet biya na. So,
Okay.
i-arrange na po na.
Yung murag concerning na ba daw asa mag-stay ang mga siguro syempre di pud sila madawat og hosting.
Oh,
Tapos
kung di nila kaya. Oo, tapos ano lang.
sige, stop recording na naman.